Division of a polynomial by a binomial. First, we need to rewrite this expression as follows. Then we need to find a value, a term here, that when multiplied by the first term, we get an x cubic and also the coefficient 4. If you observe, we have the coefficient number 2, so we need a coefficient number 2 as well. So when we multiply 2 by 2, we get 4. Now, to get the x cubic, we need an x squared because we have already an x lineal. So x squared. In this case, we will have 2x squared multiplied by 2x. Then it will be 2 by 2, 4, and x squared by x cubic. And we write the result just below the term that contains x cubic as well. And now the next multiplication will be between the 2x squared and 3. This will be 6x squared. And we write the result below the term that contains an x squared. In this case, below this term. So it will be 6x squared. And the result in both multiplications is positive. What we need to do is to change the sign. Instead of positive, this should be negative. So we need to do a subtraction. Then we perform the subtraction. In this case, we are eliminating the first term. And we have 12x squared minus 6x squared. This will result 6x squared. And the next terms move down, plus 7x minus 3. Now we need to find another term that when multiplied by 2x, we get 6x squared. In this case, it will be 3x. So when we multiply 3x by 2x, this will result in 6x squared. And we write it below the term that contains x squared. The next will be multiply 3x by 3. 3x by 3 will be 9x. And we write it just below the term that contains x. And since we are doing a subtraction, we need to inverse the signs. We eliminate the first term and we have 7x minus 9x. This will result minus 2x, and we move the remaining term to the bottom. Now we need an expression that when multiplying by 2x, we get minus 2x. This case will be minus 1. So minus 1 by 2x is minus 2x. And minus 1 multiplied by 3 is minus 3. But since we are doing a subtraction, we need to inverse again the signs. And minus 2x plus 2x is eliminating each other, and minus 3 plus 3 is also the same. And this will be 0. Therefore, the result will be 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. And this will be the result.